2-stroke vs 4-stroke performance comparison. Simple word 50-second. Power. 2-stroke wins. It fires every revolution, so it punches harder for its size and weight. A small 2-stroke can match a much bigger 4-stroke. Efficiency. 4-stroke wins. It uses fuel more completely and wastes less out the exhaust. Your wallet feels it over time. Reliability. 4-stroke wins. Fewer stress cycles on the engine means it lasts longer with less wear. Speed. 2-stroke wins. It revs higher and responds faster. That's why racing dirt bikes and jet skis love them. Smoothness. 4-stroke wins. Firing every other revolution means less vibration and a steadier feel. Weight. 2-stroke wins. No valves, no complex timing, lighter and simpler to build. Bottom line, 2-stroke is a sprinter, fast, aggressive, light, but hard on fuel and parts. 4-stroke is a marathon runner, steady, efficient, long-lasting, but heavier and slower to rev. Pick your fight first, then pick your engine.
If this video helps to you, please like, share and comment the video.